Good evening, Nimra. This is Professor Stephanie Quintero, and I wanted to create a video that demonstrates how to insert a table into a blog post. So first thing we want to do is, well, what I want to mention first is that Blogger does not contain a tool that allows you to insert a table. Okay, so if I go to new post, there is not a command on the ribbon or on the toolbar here that will allow you to insert a table. So what we need to do is go to a Google Doc, and I'm going to show you right now. I'm going to go to my Google Doc, and I'm going to create a table here. And then from here, I can copy and paste the table into my blog post. Okay, so let me demonstrate that. I'm going to go to, in my Google Doc, I'm going to go to Tools, Insert, Table, and I'm just going to create a simple table. Let's do a 2x2 table. Okay. And I'm just going to type some random information. So I'm going to type in Google Docs, and I'm going to tab over and I'll type similar to Microsoft Word. And then let me just do one more. We'll do Google Slides, and we'll say similar to Microsoft PowerPoint. Okay, so here's my table. So what I want to do is just copy this, and I can easily copy it just by selecting the table like this. Just click and drag across the whole thing. Okay, and then I'm going to copy. So I'm going to right click within my table and I'll choose copy. All right. Now I'll go back to my blog post and I'm going to just go ahead and paste it here, right in Compose View. So I'm going to right click and I'm going to choose paste. And so here is my table. So I will show you what it looks like in your blog post. Okay. So let me give it a title. And we'll just call this table test. All right. And what I'm going to do is I can preview it first. So if I preview my blog post, and there's my table right here. So if that looks good to me, and actually what I could have done here is I could have made my table column over here on the right a little bit smaller, and I can do that. So what we'll do, this is why it's good to preview your blog post before actually publishing it. So let's do this. I'm going to close preview view, and I'm going to go back to my, actually I'll delete this. I'm going to delete my table. Okay. Because what I have to do is fix the column width in my Google Doc and then do another copy and paste into my blog again. So let me just adjust the column width here, and I can even adjust it on in between the two columns here. I can adjust this one as well. All right. And I can even adjust it just a tad bit more. So that should be about right. Okay. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to select the information, select my table again by just clicking and then holding down the left mouse button and then dragging through the text to actually create or to actually select the table. All right, I'll copy again. And then I'm going to go back to my blog post and I'm going to paste it again. Okay, so now that this is in my blog post now, let me preview it. And that looks a lot better. Okay, so then what I can do is close preview view, and then I can go ahead and publish it. And when I publish it, I'm going to confirm. And when I publish it, let me go to my view blog down at the very bottom in the lower left-hand corner. And then I can see how it will actually look in my blog. And then there's my nice table. Okay. So that's basically how to insert a table into Blogger. Remember, you have to go into Google Doc first to create the table and then select the table, copy it, and then paste it into your blog post. Okay, then preview. And when it looks the way you want it to, then just publish. Okay. Please let me know if you have any further questions about this. Thank you, and I will talk with you soon.